Hi everyone, Chef Petey back again with another segment. A lot of viewers have requested this chicken and broccoli recipe, so it's one of my favorites, so let's get going. Okay, the ingredients we need today, I have 12 ounces of chicken breast, thinly sliced, and I will show you how to marinate that. I have 3 cups of broccoli florets, and it's been steamed ready for about 2 minutes. I have half a cup of sliced jumbo onion, and you could do more if you want. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/8 a teaspoon of sesame oil. I have 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder, a half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then I have half a teaspoon of ginger grated, and half a teaspoon of garlic minced. And then to marinate the chicken breast, you need egg whites. I got 1 egg here. I have half a teaspoon of rice wine, half a teaspoon of light soy sauce, and I'm going to need a little bit of vegetable oil, and then a half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, let's marinate the chicken. Alright, in a bowl, you're going to put your chicken, sliced chicken in here. And I'm going to do the rice wine, soy sauce, and again, you just want to use egg white. And cornstarch. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of oil, or half a teaspoon. Just mix it well. Ideally, you want to marinate this for an hour or 2, but even if you don't, you still can cook with it. It'll still be fine. Okay, let's go get cooking. Okay, I got the wok heated up. Put a little bit of oil in here. Really give it a good swirl. I'm going to put the onions in first. I want to put my ginger and garlic. My chicken goes in. And a little bit of olive oil. Once the chicken turns the white, then you can just put about half a cup of chicken broth or plain water. We'll let it cook for a little bit. Okay, and if you don't have chicken stock, you could put a little bit of chicken base in here, just for flavor. It looks like chicken is thoroughly cooked, and now you're going to put the broccoli in. Now let's add all the rest of the seasoning. The salt, I got the sugar, white pepper powder, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Just want to check to see if there's enough stock. If not, you can add a little bit more. Now while that's heating up, you want to get your cornstarch and water mixture. Okay. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.